Once upon a sunny day, in the meadow where Super Ryan loved to hop around, he heard a funny sound. It was a ribbit, ribbit, coming from the nearby pond. Super Ryan's ears perked up with curiosity, and he dashed over to see what was happening. To his surprise, the pond looked smaller than usual, and the frogs seemed a little squished. "Oh no! What's going on with our froggy friends?" Super Ryan exclaimed, his eyes widening with concern. He sprang into action, using his super speed to zip around the pond and investigate. There, he found a tricky villain named Dr. Drain, who was using a gigantic straw to slurp up all the water from the pond. "Stop right there, Dr. Drain!" Super Ryan shouted, but the villain just grinned mischievously and slurped even louder. Super Ryan knew he needed help to save the day. "Hey kids, come quick! Our froggy friends need us!" he called out to his friends nearby. The children rushed over, and together they put their heads together to come up with a plan. "We have to save the pond and our froggy friends," Super Ryan declared, his cape fluttering in the breeze. With buckets and pails in hand, they raced to the nearby river, giggling and splashing as they filled them up with water. "Splash, splash! Fill the pails! We'll save the pond and the frogs!" they chanted as they worked. Back at the pond, they poured the water in, making sure to fill it up nice and high for the frogs to splash and play in. Super Ryan used his super strength to carry big rocks and logs, creating cozy homes for the froggy friends. As they worked, they met some funny underwater pals. First, there was Freddy the Frog, hopping around on lily pads, trying to catch flies with his long, sticky tongue. "Snap, snap! Gotta catch 'em all!" Freddy exclaimed, tongue flicking out in excitement. Then there was Sammy, the snail, slowly sliding along the pond's edge, leaving a shiny trail of slime behind him. "Slip, slide, watch me glide," Sammy sang as he moved along. Suddenly, they heard a loud croak and saw a big bouncy ball of jelly wiggling in the water. It was Jumpy the jellyfish, doing somersaults and giggling with joy. "Boing, boing, I'm the Jelly King," Jumpy proclaimed as he bounced around. Super Ryan and the children laughed and cheered, happy to see their underwater friends having fun again. "Great job, team! We did it!" Super Ryan cheered, giving everyone a big high five. With the pond full and the frogs safe, Dr. Drain's evil plan was foiled. He slunk away, defeated by Super Ryan and his team of brave helpers. The frogs croaked their thanks, hopping and leaping around in joy. And from that day on, the pond was a happy place for all the frogs to frolic and play, thanks to the quick thinking and kindness of Super Ryan and his friends. The end with a splash of froggy fun.